how to view record of employment, ROE, and MSCA. But once you've done that, go ahead here, scroll down, go to all services, and you should be able to find record of employment in the most requested. If not, you could always just go ahead and search for it over here. So you can search up record of employment. So, and then you will find this option. And then you'll have this. You're gonna have to press in this blue line for more information on the ROA. Go ahead and press here. Now, if you want to view your record of employment issued by an employer and whatnot, you're gonna have to sign in or register to your My Service Canada account. So you can sign in using a GC key, a sign-in partner, or provisional sign-in. So go ahead and choose either of this. So just sign in from any of these options and you can take a look at your ROE. So hopefully this video helps you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.